Changing your car's air filter is a simple, inexpensive way to keep your vehicle running smoothly and improve its performance. First, always follow proper safety procedures and only change your air filter while the engine is turned off. The difficulty level for changing an air filter is 2 out of 5. The procedure takes about 15 minutes. These instructions apply for many vehicles but may not exactly match your car. You may need to check your owner's manual or a reference guide in an auto parts store to confirm the exact air filter your vehicle requires. First, gather everything you need: the new air filter, a flat screwdriver, a shop vacuum, safety glasses, work gloves, and a cleaning rag. For normal driving conditions, a Fram Extra Guard filter is recommended. A Fram Tough Guard filter is a good choice for dirt roads or strenuous driving conditions such as idling in heavy traffic, driving on dirty, dusty roads, and towing heavy loads. Begin by locating the air filter housing at the top of the engine. Then pry the connector from the housing. Now, take a flat screwdriver and loosen the hose clamp on the air filter housing. Remove the 2 clips on the side of the housing and lift the housing out of the way. You can now remove the air filter. Clean the inside of the housing with a shop vacuum and rag. Place the new filter into the housing, making sure it fits properly. Return the air filter housing top, then snap the 2 side clips in place. Reattach the connector and tighten the hose clamp. Now, recheck to make sure everything is securely locked down, and you're done.